morning and welcome back to Working Yard with Will. So on days like today, when I look out my yard and I started to see, you know, start to see it pull together, grass is getting greener, it's getting darker. I often think of my dad, and he would say, hey, you're cooking with grease now, son. So here's to you, Dad. Working Yard with Will. Backyard is coming in nicely. Everything's greening up pretty good. The chipping green is coming in really nice. Hopefully you guys can see this figure 8 shape that I got going on out here. The grass is starting to get a little greener there and get rid of a lot of that yellow. Stay tuned. Working Yard with Will. I'm gonna keep this thing going.